We're going to have a go at making a Detroit pan pizza, which traditionally would have Wisconsin brick cheese, but we're going to use some English cheddar.
And you're cutting it into small slices?
Yeah, into squares which get layered on the top. Just going to put this dough into our 12-inch square baking tray, like the mechanics tool trays from the Motor City, which is why this is called a Detroit pan pizza. There we go. Okay, this is a fairly wet, high hydration dough. It's about 70%, very similar to a focaccia. I'm just going to spread it out to the edges of the tray. And we're just going to leave that to prove for about half an hour, given the heat in this kitchen today. Right, I'm now going to put all this cheese on. It's got to go right up to the edge because we want the really crispy bits. Right, this is going into a hot oven. Here we go.
Temperatures?
Good question. So I double checked, and 220 degrees centigrade is 430 degrees Fahrenheit. So there we go, look at that. So while that was cooking, I made the tomato sauce, which goes on top of the cheese for a Detroit pan pizza. So here we go. This has got oregano and garlic powder, bit of sugar, controversial I know, chopped tomatoes. Let's just spread that all over the top. And there we have it, our take on a Detroit style deep pan pizza. Here we go. Just look at that beautiful crispy